Obviously, you know that I love Milwaukee. Everything is Milwaukee here. It's pretty crowded. Of course, I have all my wrenches here. My pipe vise wrench. Absolutely love it. More Milwaukee wrenches. Here's my Reed ABS cutter. So that's pretty nice. This is my Milwaukee offset jaws, obviously. Yeah, they're amazing. Yeah, these are all very expensive tools. Everything I have is Milwaukee. I don't have anything else other than Milwaukee. Pipe vise and Rigid, the best ones. And here I have my shower valves, obviously, all the cartridges here. These crocodile wipes are the best, guys, really good.